Guys, I nearly blew up my account. This close. I entered oil for another short position, which meant I wanted to come down in price. Went to bed, woke up, and oil had shot way up, way against me.
Yikes! Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so, maybe. I was in the very unfortunate position that Trump decided to attack Iran, and Iran is obviously a major supplier of oil, which is what shot the price way up. Not only that, oil had swung from below my what was resistance line to now above that line. So now it's on the wrong side of the line, wrong side for my trade. Well underwater, what do? As I don't use stop losses, I let the trade run and try and trade out of it. I let this one run. I got a margin call, nearly blew up my account. Cool, so let's jump in and see what happened. Starting off down here, this is where I exited my last oil trade for a profit, for the 4.5K profit. Now, if I just let these candles play out. So this is where I started to enter my new positions, my oil short positions up here. I seen this as a resistance line because it come through this pivot point here, and that was its last pivot off. So I was expecting it to come off this line and hopefully head back down to here for another profit, similar to the last run. However, as you can see, it's sort of bouncing at the top of this line. So that's actually starting to form a bull flag. Now I had entered into some positions through here. And this orange, green, and white line, all three are resistance lines because the price is below this white line here. And the price is below this orange line. And it's also below the green. So I see that there's a fair bit of resistance here, which is why I've shorted, I'm in a short position here. So there it is. It just busted through my line of resistance. It's hit this white and the green, these lines of resistance here, and which is really not good for my short positions down here. And then there it goes. Busted right up through to this top red long-term resistance line, or longer term. And so I'm well underwater with my short positions down here, with price right up here. What I'm trying to do now is to trade out of it by adding some new short positions up here. However, this is where I made a big mistake. So what I try and do is, even though I am in the red for these short positions down here because the price is up here, what I try and do is I add more positions up here so that as price comes down, these are in profit and it reduces the loss on these so that I can get out fairly well at break even. I don't, however, do this. I listen to the news, big mistake for me anyway, and I let it influence me, and I ended up exiting the trade for a 15K loss on oil. These are my losses that I took to the account. Now, there's a natural gas one in there as well, but the 4 oil positions is 15K loss to the account. I had previously got my account from 18K up to 28K, and this 15K loss between the oil dropped it from 28 down to 13, and plus that little natural gas one, my account is, after these exits, 11K. However, I closed them so that I could try and trade out of it, staying positive, try and get my account back up. So I'm still definitely in it and looking to make some more trades that I can get my account back up to 18K and further on into profits. So guys, that's it. That was my trade My biggest loss so far on the account, not a good one. Made some mistakes, paid for it heavily. However, looking to turn it around, still in it, still alive. Going to take some more trades coming up, and we'll see you in the next video. Ay, ay, ay.